so in today's class we are going to make something very cute thing out of clay. Here I am making a burger, but not that usual one, but the cute one. So for the burger filling part I am using the white clay. Take white clay and give the shape as I gave in the video. Now I will use pink clay to make the two buns and stick filling and bun together. Now you might be thinking why I am using pink bun instead of that brown, because I want to make it look cute. And remember, while giving the shape to these buns, don't make it flat from both sides. Make flat at one side and puffy at other, because buns are flat at one side and puffy at other. Now join this bun with the other two. The best thing about super clay is you don't have to use glue. Super clay are sticky in nature, they can stick by themselves. Now smooth out your clay with your hand. Take out your clay tool and add texture to it. Texture and detail makes anything look more realistic. And you know detailing is very important in craft. Not only craft but even painting, art, everything. So next time whenever you are doing anything, don't forget to add detail. For next clay art, you need 5 balls of clay. Here I am using 3 yellow balls and 2 white balls. And take one ball and press it with the lid. And then with the help of your fingers, try to give a square look. After giving square shape with the finger, take anything where you can put your clay and give more cleaner look with the help of clay tool. Look, the edges looking so clean, right? Now repeat the same process with other balls. And you know this process is so satisfying, but at the same time it is really time consuming. And one more thing, make sure that your all square are in same size and shape. And now stick one square on another and make layer of it as you do in sandwiches. But now you all might be thinking that this is sandwich, right? But no, it is not. So here I am making a layer pastry with strawberry topping, or you can even call it square pancakes. Now with the help of your fingers, squeeze it little bit to give that perfect pastry shape. So now I took a little amount of white clay, and with the help of lid I will roll it in this way. So you might be thinking what it is, so I am making cream here. And now stick it to the pastry to make it look like the cream. You know, this kind of tiny small craft is called miniature craft, and while making miniature craft you need little bit of patience. And here I am making the strawberry for topping. Making the strawberry is really easy, as you can see in the video. I will also add tiny leaf to it. And now stick your strawberry to the pastry. Here it is time to add the details, and I am using a pen for it. Miniature art is really tough, but here I am teaching you the easiest method to make you learn. And if you want one-to-one session with me, please contact the number which is showing in the video. As other two art in the video were little lengthy, I am making a easiest one here. Before making any clay art, always knead your clay, because kneading make clay surface more smoother. And here I am making a simple heart. First give a sharp shape to one edge with the help of your fingers and make a cut in the middle. And if you don't have this kind of clay tool, you can buy it online. And if still you don't want to buy it, look this kind of alternative in your home. For example, when we buy cakes from market, it comes with a plastic knife. So you can use this instead of clay tool. You know what is the purpose of crafting? Using existing thing from your home. I know that lot of thing we have to buy from market, but at the same time you can also use something which is in your home. Here I am adding little eyes and nose to the heart to give that toyish look. And don't ever forget to add blush. And after adding all those things, here is the final look. So that is it for today.